Hey, what's up everyone? We all know that Nothing Phone 1 has been launched recently, and if you are using a mid-range Android device or a flagship Android device, there is no reason to buy that phone because that's obviously a good looking phone, but all those systems is a mid-range device that you already have. But if you want to try that interface, which is Nothing OS Android launcher, you can do this just simply installing Nothing launcher. This launcher is packed with some new widgets. As you can see, it's already been here with that Nothing logo font. It's the clock, and there is this another analog clock and a weather widgets. So these are two types. Like if you reshape the size, it will look like this. Similarly to this clock, if you resize to a small one, the widgets will be turned into this small, and I think it's better than the previous larger one. And here is the another feature with this Nothing launcher have, which is enlarge and minimize. Any applications you like to, you can just enlarge it. It's just simple feature, nothing like groundbreaking or something, but you can use it. Here is the other one. You can folder it, and the folder that has been created is a rounded shape. And similarly to iOS, as we can see, the 3 application is larger and there is 2 more applications which is smaller. If you press this on, the applications will be opened from the folder, but if you press the small one, the folder will be opened first, then you can open other applications. And if you wanna resize this folder, you can do that too. And from the setting, you can see it's also written with that Nothing icon, Nothing font, and there is not like customizations, like you can use a round shape or any custom icon pack, or there is just simple notification dots and default home applications, which is Nothing launcher, and that's it. That's all about this Nothing launcher, and it's simple but clean. You can use it on your any Android device to make it look like you are using a Nothing phone, which is Nothing phone on. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out.